Okay, so it's blizzard number 2. January, what, 27th? Something like that. This is the tour of our neighborhood. That's my street. There goes my husband trying to get his car out of the driveway. We barely got it in last night. These are the piles of snow. Unbelievable. We paid somebody to shovel this morning because we didn't feel like doing it again. But my neighbor has this really big snow blower, so he made this really nice path. It's very pretty, but yeah, if it snows anymore, we're going to be digging tunnels.